B.Sc Public Administration is a 4 years course, 8 semesters, and these are the 100 level courses. They are all required. You must pass all of them. That's why I was in 23 of 23. All of them are required in order for you to graduate. So public administration is not a science program, and that's why GS 105 is included to others. And here is your total fee. Remember that 6,000 is a first compulsory fee for all 100 level student, first semester student, 100 level first semester. So if you are newly admitted, you are paying this 6,000 as the first compulsory fee. Then from second semester onwards, you'll be paying 18,000 instead of this. The cost of registering this for exams and course materials is 29,500, making it a total of 65,500 for first semester 100 level. 100 level second semester, you have these courses and they are all required, and the total fee is 45,000. You must pass all of them in order to graduate. And here you have 200 level first semester. You did not register GST 2 or 3 because GST 2 or 3 is for science related programs. So you register only 201. So all of them are required. Direct entry students will have to go to 100 level and pick GST 107. Add it to this one, making it 22 units. That's all. And they move on. The total fee is 42,000 for 100. Those who started from 100 level. Direct entry students will have to add 3,000 or 3,500 to this. Sorry, 3,000 to this for to cover the cost for GST 107, making it 45,000 for them. 200 level second semester, these are your courses, and you have 16 units for them. You are taking all of them and you are passing all of them. If you have any carryover from previous semesters, you bring it here. You have only 16 units here, and your fee is 38,000. Then 300 level first semester, you have GST 307, which is compulsory for you, 302, sorry, and these are your other courses, totaling 21 units, and your fee is 45,000. Then you have 300 level second semester. These are your courses, a total of 21 units. You register all, you pass all of them. All of them are 3 units, making it to 5 for course material registrations and the exam registrations. They call it course registration anyway. So it's for course materials, sometimes the exam registration 1,000, and this totals 42,500 for 300 level second semester. Then 400 level first semester, you have these courses, a total of 17 units, and all of them are required. You pay your normal semester fee 18,000, and that will be 38,500 for the semester, 400 level first semester. Then we have 400 level second semester. These are your courses with projects. You don't register project for exam, so this is an error. It's supposed to be 15,000. You don't register projects for exams, so you remove 1,000 from here, from the total amount, making it 50,500 naira. So at the end, we have a total credit units carried is 162, which is also the minimum required. So if more courses were added during your own registration, you will have to add those courses, so that even if you fail one course or two, it will not stop you from graduation. But not GSTs. You have to pass all the GSTs, and also make sure all your core courses you pass all of them, so that even if you are failing any course, it will be from electives. And remember, do not treat electives as useless, otherwise it will keep you in the university. You need at least 18 units from electives. So some program does not have enough courses, some has. So the one that does not have enough, that's where you see this, what is required is what you are given. So it means you must pass everything. So that's it. So for direct entry, you have 109. Once you reach 109, you are good to go.